rush hour in Rishikesh. How much is ear cleaning? 100 for ear cleaning. Okay, yeah. Whoa. How many years you've been cleaning ears?
My father, my brother, everybody here.
Okay, like a family business. All right. Oh wow. Yeah, needs to be cleaned. How many customers you have a day?
15, 20.
Okay, 15 to 20 a day.
This one big.
Oh wow. What's your name?
My name Kallu.
Kallu. My name is Miro.
Before how long time you are not cleaning? How long time?
Long time. Long time.
This one here big one.
Okay.
Here close. Here close. Here shampoo water, soap water, dust. Shampoo, soap, dust.
Okay.
Little inside dirty. Here block. Inside.
Okay.
Ayurveda medicine. See?
What does it have? Oh, wow.
Chidri.
Yeah. What it has inside?
Chidri.
Tetris. Wow. 400 total. Don't have much money. Why it's getting more blocked now that you go there?
Block very dry. Very dry. Sand, shampoo, soap, scent. Taste. Altogether 9.
It's too much. It's too much. Don't have that much. Ear cleaning.
We are good cleaners. Too much. See. Very nice. My father, my brother, everybody here. Money daddy here. My father, my brother, everybody here.
Yeah. There's a lot of stuff in my ears. Very nice. Oh yeah. Looks like my ears are full of chicken masala. Ear cleaning.
He's the best here.
Oh yeah.
Good clean. We are good clean. We are good clean.
How much that? how is it even possible to have that much stuff in the ear? How it fits there? What is made of?
No problem. No problem. It's kind of soft.
All right, perfect. Now I can hear better than ever.
Stem very clean, same clean. Before,
Oh yeah.
very big. This very
Yeah,
nice,
yeah, yeah.
very nice, very nice.
Wow. All that came out of my ears? Nice. Wow. My ears are dirtier than Ganges. Wow. Thank you very much. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. I paid 3 times less than he asked initially, but I still think I paid much more than the locals. At the same time, it's kind of an experience that you don't get to experience every day. Cleaning your ears at the streets of India. See you next time.